Hello, John here again, and this is an update video. Do you remember this? Because I do. The Dragon 32. This is the Dragon that didn't work, even though they said that it did work. Well, after some investigation, I found out. Now, I got another one. Now this one I know is broke. It was sold as broke and I got it for like a £5, and I thought I might be able to fix it. So I'm going to open this one up because the lugs are broken on it, and that in there, the power board is broken, and as you can see, this is the actual power board out of that one. And what was broken was this thing, the 5-volt regulator. And look at the size of the heatsink it's attached to. It's massive. And the problem with this is that it's like welded to this heatsink, so I couldn't get a replacement to that. So what I did was I bought this for spares. And so, like I said, this is the power board out of that, and I put this power board into that to see if we've got any news. It's still amazing that a teeny tiny motherboard in a huge humongous case. Anyway, so this is a spares and repairs. I don't know if this actually works because I didn't actually power it up. I just took the board out. So what I'm going to do, where's the cover? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug it into the telly. I'm going to plug it into the telly and see if it works. I'm hoping it works. I mean, I didn't record me changing it over because I didn't think it would be interesting. But we'll see if it works. And yeah, I'm not holding my breath. It's worth a try. It only cost me a £5. Alright then, I'll see you in a minute. Take care. Hello, right. I've plugged her into the telly. You can see the screen, there's no signal. So, here we go. So, I've not actually looked at this yet, so switch her on. Oh, and we have we have a screen. I thought the Dragon screen were... Hang on a second. That's a 16. That's a 16K. Was there a 16K version of the Dragon? That's orange and green. Orange screen. Anyway, okay. Pint. Well, it works. It works, but hang on, have we got a reset button on this? Here we are. Okay, that's doing that. I want it back to the screen. That says 16K. Oh, okay. I've got. Was there a 16K version? No. No, there wasn't a Dragon 6. I wonder if some of the memory's rubbished on it. Okay. Interesting, Mr. Bond. But a orange background and green screen. Alright then. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the motherboard out of that one, plug it in this one. Now we know the power's working. And see what the motherboard says. Right then. Talk to you in a bit. Right then. I have just... what I've done is I didn't swap the motherboard. I've just swapped the power board back into the old machine. Because it was easier. Like 4 screws rather than 8. And having to remove the keyboard as well. So here we go. I've just plugged her into the TV. So I'm going to switch her on. There we go. And we have a green screen. Oh, it's a bit wibbly wobbly though, isn't it? But it still says 16K. Oh, so there must have been 16K. Okay. Anyway. So, it's definitely the power module that's bust on that one. But this one's green but got a wibbly wobbly look to it. Just wondering if any of those capacitors have anything to do with it. So, the question is... Oh, it's shimmering somewhat chronic, isn't it? That's really, really distracting. Okay, let's see if we've got any... Raw. Well, it's doing it. It's doing it. Oh, I think I prefer the orange screen. Even though this is more true to the colours that I've read up about, I prefer the orange screen. That is weird, isn't it? That wave effect on the light on the sides of the borders. It's got to be a capacitor issue, that. What capacitor is it? 220. 2 big ones. Can't see what they are yet. Oh, I could change the capacitors on the power board, because that's where the AV is. I don't know. I'm gonna put the power board back in the orange one, because that just looks psychedelic. Even though I prefer to have the green, but the orange was much clearer. Right, let me put the power board back in the other one. I'll be back in a second. Right then, I've plugged the power board back into the first one. I'll switch her on. There we go. So, right, the picture is far clearer. It's just the colour's wrong. So I don't know, do I want the traditional green and have a fuzzy picture, or do I prefer to have a clearer picture and it orange? Yeah, I prefer the clearer picture. Doesn't matter about the colour. We'd have to see what the colours come out and see if one of the Could be one of the colour channels has gone. But what would make orange? If it is orange. Is it yellow? Does that mean the blue's gone? Oh, I don't know. We'd have to see. Because I think the video chips, I don't know if it's socketed or not. But the upside of this is I have technically two machines that are working with faults. So we've got the other machine that if I put this power board in is working but has a wibbly wobbly screen that makes your eyes go funny. Or there's this one where the screen is orange but clear. So I think we'll live with the orange. Now I have got another Dragon 32 coming because I wasn't too sure if that £5 machine would fix this one, which clearly it does. But someone saw my video and offered me a Dragon 32 that's working in a box, so I kindly accepted it. So just waiting for that to come, and then we'll see what that looks like. Right, just so this was just basically an update video. So I have got a working Dragon 32. In fact, I've got two working Dragon 32s, both having to share the same power board, but both have an issue, and it looks like it's a video issue. One with a fuzzy screen and one being orange. But I'm going to keep this orange one on because it's the picture's a lot clearer. You know, who cares? When I start typing these basic programs in, yeah. So there you go. That was the update of my Dragon 32 conquest journey. There'll be another video coming when the other Dragon 32 arrives, and we'll see how that performs. I have been assured that it works, and it was from one of the viewers who spotted the video of the Dragon 32. So if you like this video, click the like button. If you disliked it, fine, hit that button. Always leave me a comment, and if you'd like to support the channel, then please become a patron of mine, either a one-off payment or a subscriber. All the money generated from that Patreon account is put back into this channel. Right, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.